Yardi Voyager tutorial, everything you need to know. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Yardi Voyager. Yardi Voyager is a web-based property management platform used for handling leases, payments, maintenance, and reporting. When you log in, the dashboard shows your tasks, properties, and quick links. Navigation is simple. Use the side menu to access functions like resident, payables, or maintenance. To enter a new tenant, go to residential, move in, and fill out the required fields. For payments, head to receivables and post rent under correct tenant code. Need a report? Use reports and filter by date, property, or account. Everything updates in real time and your actions are logged, so accuracy matters. If you're ever stuck, use the help button. It's built in. That's Yardi Voyager in a nutshell. Organized, web-based, and built for real estate.